Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to run the AI models locally with the Ollama. Okay, so first of all we have to know what is Ollama, and after that we have to install that Ollama on the Linux environment. After that, full clone like a chat GPT we are going to make with Ollama because it actually provides the web UI. Okay, so these are the three tutorials which I'm going to upload in the later series. So let's understand what exactly the Ollama is. Okay, so what is Ollama? Ollama is free open source tool that lets you download and run large language models directly on your own computer. No internet required, no subscription fees, no data leaving your machines. Think of it like as a package manager for the AI models. Just like you have to install an app, Ollama lets you pull the models like LM3, Mistral, Gema with a single command and start chatting with them instantly. Like it uses your hardware. If you have another hardware like Nvidia or something, okay, so it will use that one. Otherwise, whatever the machine has the hardware, it gonna be used that one hardware. Okay, so it's so that it's set up locally. Ollama was created in 2003 and rapidly became the go-to tool for the local AI, right? So the core capabilities, model library, fast interface, REST API, model files. So pull any model from the Ollama growing registry with one command. Yeah, fast interface optimized for the CPU and the GPU. So depends on your CPU and GPU it will use. Okay, REST API open AI compatible API drop in place in your apps. Model files customize system prompts and the parameter like a Docker file. Okay, so which are the popular models available? That is Llama 3.2, Mistral, Gemma 5.4, DeepSeek R1, Qn 2.5, Code Llama, and the Nomic Embed. Okay, so why run locally? Like why we want like it should be run locally? So first one, that is cloud AI services are powerful, okay, but running models on your own hardware unlocks benefits that cloud simply can't offer. Okay, so these are the complete privacy. So complete privacy is there, works offline, zero API cost, and the full control you get. Okay, so local AI is perfect for building and testing the AI powered apps. No API key required, no rate limit. Your dev environment works even without internet access. So let's understand what is local AI versus cloud AI. Okay, both approaches have the distinct strength. Here's how they stack up, right? So in terms of the cost, privacy. So in the local Ollama, it's 100% local. So privacy is onto your like limit to your system, right? Cloud data sent to the server, cost free, pay per token, internet required after download, always. Okay, model quality very good, state of the art, it depends, right? Because it's basically on the cloud, right? So definitely the quality would be the much better on that. Okay, speed depends on the hardware, because whatever the hardware you have, so depends on the speed. This the speed depends on that the hardware usage. Because fast, because high GPUs are used on the cloud, so definitely it's going to be fast. Customization, full model control, definitely, because it's local and it's limited to the API parameters. Setup complexity, it's in minutes, but it's instant because the API key and just go ahead of that. Hardware requirements needs RAM and the GPU, definitely it doesn't require. Context window, that 4 to k 128 tokens, okay, up to 1 million tokens it says. Okay, so the verdict, l- local AI wins on the privacy, cost control. Cloud AI wins on the raw capability and the convenience. Many developers use both, local for prototyping and sensitive data, cloud for production workload that depends peak performance. So choose local when handling private data, working offline, high query volume, experimenting and building the budget conscious projects. Choose cloud when they need the latest frontier models, low spec hardware, quick prototyping, production skill reliability, and the multi-model task. So if you have a good hardware, then you have to install it and do your job with this AI model locally, right? So try, because I'm going to in next video I'm going to install this Ollama and let's chat with them. Okay, and see how the output is gonna be give us. Okay, so this is the introduction video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.